I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your eBay account is on hold, follow these steps to unlock it and get back to buying and selling. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any messages from eBay regarding the hold on your account. They often send details about why your account is restricted and what you need to do. Step 2. Log into your eBay account. Visit eBay's website and log in using your credentials. If you can log in, it may indicate further issues that need addressing. Step 3. Review account notifications. Once logged in, check your account notifications for any alerts or messages that explain the hold. This will guide you on the next steps. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the iShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact eBay support. If you've followed all the steps and your account is still on hold, reach out to eBay customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your situation. Sometimes, the hold can be due to a simple oversight, like an expired payment method. Make sure everything is up to date. Good luck, and I hope you'll be back to selling soon.